While our garden is full of the usual suspects, like summer squashes and tomatoes, we've found another vine that quietly thrives in the background. This is Luffa, a plant that's both a delicate vegetable and, when allowed to fully ripen, transforms into a natural sponge, commonly used for bathing and cleaning. It's a staple in southern Chinese and broader Asian kitchens, and it has adapted beautifully to our arid San Fernando Valley climate. Remarkably resilient, this moisture-loving vine has embraced our dry conditions, symbolizing nature's incredible adaptability. Luffa isn't just a food source, it's an inspiring example of how versatile plants can be. Growing Luffa is an exercise in patience. Its thick, dark seeds often remain hidden beneath the soil for weeks, especially when spring mornings remain cool. We've learned through trial and error to wait until mid-April or later, sowing extra seeds as insurance against those reluctant to sprout. Yet, once these seedlings finally emerge, their growth is unstoppable. Heart-shaped leaves unfurl rapidly, delicate tendrils eagerly grasp at anything within reach. They quickly climb trees and can overshadow everything around them. If left unchecked, their exuberant growth can even shade neighboring plants and climb well beyond their intended space. In fact, just 3 healthy vines can yield more fruit than we know what to do with. A truly delightful gardening dilemma. Luffa blossoms offer a fleeting beauty, opening cheerful, golden yellow flowers at sunrise that fade by afternoon. Female blooms come adorned with miniature fruits already visible at their base, a gentle promise of what's to come. The male flowers, more abundant and pollen-rich, are edible. They're excellent when lightly stir-fried and add delicate flavor and nutrition to dishes. We've also discovered another edible secret. The young vines and their tender tendrils themselves are delicacies when stir-fried. Tender, sweet, and nutritious, these parts of the plant have become an unexpected garden favorite, enhancing soups and quick dishes alike. But the main event is the Luffa fruit. Timing the harvest is crucial. Picked too early, Luffas are undersized and lack the pleasant sweetness. Too late, their flesh becomes fibrous and seeds turn tough, both undesirable for eating. With careful attention, we harvest them at their prime, crisp, juicy, sweet, and refreshingly textured, ideal for summer dishes. Every season, we intentionally leave a few fruits on the vine to mature fully. These overgrown Luffas not only provide heirloom seeds for future plantings, but also naturally dry into fibrous skeletons. These beautiful, biodegradable sponges have found their way into our kitchen for dishwashing and into our bathroom for gentle exfoliation. Our very first seeds came from an Amazon order. Now, we proudly nurture our own heirloom line. The plant's versatility goes beyond food and cleaning. The clear sap from a mature vine, known as Luffa water, becomes a precious skincare tonic. After the growing season ends, we carefully cut the mature vine several feet from its base and collect the slow dripping clear sap. Stored in a cool, dark place for about 6 months, this sap transforms into a prized skincare ingredient, celebrated in Asian skincare tradition. It is renowned for moisturizing, brightening, and anti-aging properties, offering yet another dimension to Luffa's versatility. Luffa may not star prominently in paintings or poetry, but its quiet practicality has earned it a cherished place in our home. It's a plant that rises from dormancy, grows vigorously, and generously offers everything from nutritious food and natural cleaning tools to skincare treasures. Indeed, Luffa truly is the garden's most versatile vine. If you want to see more remarkable plants like this, make sure to subscribe and follow our journey. Until next time, happy gardening!